Hello students, welcome back to online session. This is Sridevi again from APPA Public School. Today I am here to discuss the question and answers of movements of the earth. This is the third lesson from your textbook. All of you open your textbooks, get ready with your textbooks and take pencil and eraser. Okay, say here page number 22. Okay, page number 22. Here children, recall, okay, movements of the earth. See, earth has got how many movements? Already I told you that earth has got two movements. What are they? One is rotation and one is revolution. Okay, see, due to the rotation of the earth, what causes due to the rotation of the earth? Days and nights causes due to the rotation of the earth. What causes due to the revolution of the earth? Seasons cause due to the revolution of the earth. Understood, children? Now let us see workout session. Workout section. Okay. First, here, A. Bit number A. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Fill in the blanks with the correct answers. Okay, say under this first one. See, the dash of the earth causes changes of seasons. Okay, children. Here, seasons are caused due to what? Seasons are caused due to the revolution of the earth. First one is revolution. Okay, first one is revolution. Here, second one. Say, here three options are given. First one, rotation. Second one, revolution. Third one, tilt. Okay, due to the revolution of the earth, we have seasons. Second one, on 22nd December, the earth experiences dash. Okay, here options, what are the options? Winter solstice, equinox and summer solstice. Which is the correct answer among these three? Winter solstice is the correct answer. Winter solstice. Say, on 21st June, every year, the dash tilts towards the sun. Okay, on 21st June, every year, which hemisphere tilts towards the sun? Here, three answers are given. Say, southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere, and eastern hemisphere. On 21st June, every year, northern hemisphere tilts towards the sun. Okay. Northern hemisphere. Okay. Now fourth one. Rotation is the dash movement of the earth. See, due to the rotation, see how many days the earth takes to complete one rotation? The earth takes 24 hours. That means approximately 24 hours to complete one rotation. Due to the rotation of the earth, what are caused? Days and nights are caused. Okay. See, that means it is daily rotation. Rotation is called daily movement of the earth. Okay. Daily movement of the earth. Say, fifth one, the rotation of the earth causes dash. See, rotation of the earth causes, already I told you in the beginning, rotation of the earth causes days and nights. Revolution of the earth causes seasons. Okay. Here, days and nights. Days and nights. See, once again, let us see. The dash of the earth causes changes of seasons. Okay. Revolution of the earth causes seasons. Next, On 22nd December, the Earth experiences dash solstice, winter solstice. On 21st June every year, the northern hemisphere tilts towards the sun. Next, fourth one. The rotation is the dash movement of the Earth. Okay, which movement of the Earth? Daily movement of the Earth. The rotation of the Earth causes days and nights. Okay. Same workout. Okay. Bit number B. Name the following. First one. Say. The movement of the Earth that causes seasonal changes. Okay, the movement of the Earth which causes seasons is called rotation, revolution. Revolution of the Earth causes seasons. Say, imaginary line passing through the center of the Earth joining North and South Pole. See, the imaginary line which connects North Pole and South Pole and passes through the center of the Earth is called what? Axis. Okay, the imaginary line passing through the center of the Earth joining North Pole and South Pole is called axis. Now, third answer. Here, page number 23. Third one, the part of the Earth that has summer during winter solstice. Say here, the part of the Earth that has summer during winter solstice. Okay, southern hemisphere. Southern. Southern hemisphere. Fourth answer. Say, imaginary path on which the Earth revolves around the sun. See, the path in which the Earth revolves around the sun is called orbit. See, this is the sun. Here the Earth rotates on its own axis. The Earth, while rotating on its own axis, the Earth revolves around the sun. Okay, in a fixed path. This path is called orbit. Okay. Fourth one is orbit. Say, this is called orbit. Now, fifth one. The year in which February has 29 days. Say, the year in which February has 29 days is called leap year. See here, children, I told you that the Earth takes 365 1/4 days to complete one revolution. Okay, in order to complete one revolution, the Earth takes 365 1/4 days. Okay, 1/4 days. See, actually what we say that 365 days are there in 1 year, isn't it? For our convenience, we say like that. See, 1/4 day means 6 hours. Okay, 6 hours which is saved in every year will become 24 hours 24 hours after 4 years. Okay. Say the 24 hours which are saved will be added in the month of February. So that is why February will get a 29 days instead of a 28 days. Okay. For every 4 years. That year is called leap year. Okay. The year which gets, say, the year which gets 29 days in February month, such year is called leap year. Understood, children? Actually, how many days are there in February month? 28 days are there, isn't it? Instead of 28 days, we will get 29 days for every 4 years. Okay, that year is called leap year. Understood, children? Now, let us move to next bit. Page number 23. Bit number C. Write T for true and F for false. Okay, now say first one. The equinox occurs on 23rd December. Say the equinox occurs 23rd December. Say the 20 on, this is first one. This is false. Okay. Here, second one. The earth rotates and revolves at the same time. Say, what I told you, while revolving around the sun, the earth rotates on its own axis. Isn't it? That is true. Third one. The change of seasons occur due to the revolution of the earth. See, already I told you, due to the revolution of the earth, seasons occur. Change of seasons occur. True. Fourth one. A leap year occurs every 4 years. Already I told you, leap year occurs every 4 years. True. Fifth one. The days and nights are equal during winters. It is false. See, in winter season, days are shorter and nights are longer. That means in winter season, days are shorter and nights are longer. Okay, in summer season, days are longer and nights are shorter. Okay. Now, next bit. Answer these questions. T is equal to 23. D. Answer these questions. First one. First question. What is rotation? What is rotation? The movement of the Earth on its own axis is called rotation. Is called rotation. See children, what is rotation? The movement of the Earth on its own axis is called rotation. Okay, the Earth rotates. How much time does the Earth take for one rotation? The Earth takes 24 hours for one rotation. Understood? Second question now. What do you understand by the Earth's axis? What do you understand by the Earth's axis? See, answer. The Earth's axis is an imaginary line which connects the North Pole and the South Pole and passes through the center of the Earth. Okay. Say, the Earth's axis is an imaginary line which connects the North Pole and the South Pole and passes through the center of the Earth. The Earth rotates on its own axis. See children, what do you understand by the Earth's axis? This is the question. Answer is, the Earth's axis is an imaginary line which connects the North Pole and the South Pole and passes through the center of the Earth. The Earth rotates on its own axis. See children, already I had shown the figure in previous lesson. In this lesson also. See, this is the Earth, this is the axis. It connects North Pole and South Pole and passes through the center of the Earth. Okay, this is the Earth. It and lets North Pole and South Pole and passes through the center of the Earth. Next question, third one. Third question, when does the summer solstice occur? When does the summer solstice occur? When does the summer solstice occur? Here answer. The summer solstice occurs on 21st June. Say, when does the summer solstice occur? The summer solstice occurs on 21st June. Okay. Next, fourth question. When are the night sign days? When are the night sign days? The days of equal length. When are the night sign days of equal length? Six. When are the night sign days are of equal length? Are of equal length. See answer. The days and nights. Days and nights are of equal length. During autumn and spring equinoxes. When sun rays are equal. See children, what is the question? When are the nights and days are of equal length? Okay. When do we have the days and nights equal? Okay. The days and nights are of equal length during autumn and spring equinoxes when the sun rays are equal. Okay. This is the answer. Next one. When does the southern hemisphere experience summer? Fifth question. When does the southern hemisphere experience summer? Answer. Southern hemisphere experiences summer when the northern hemisphere experiences winter. Okay, children. See, this is the answer. When does the southern hemisphere experience summer? Okay. The correct answer is southern hemisphere experiences summer when the northern hemisphere experiences winter. Okay. Opposite conditions take place. Okay. Next. Next question. What are the effects of revolution? What are the effects of revolution? Effects of Earth's revolution include the seasons. And variation in the length of days and nights. See, what are the effects of the revolution? See, due to the revolution of the earth, what causes? Effects of earth's revolution include seasons and variations in the length of days and nights. Okay, next one. Explain summer solstice and winter solstice. Seventh question. Explain summer solstice and winter solstice. This is the question. Now answer. Summer solstice takes place on 21st June on this day the northern hemisphere tilts towards the sun and its rays fall straight on the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. This is why areas that are located on this latitude get more heat and have the summer solstice. Since the North Pole is tilted towards the sun, places that are located in the Arctic Circle get continuous daylight, continuous daylight for 6 months straight. At the same time, at the same southern hemisphere, has been winter solstice, winter solstice, winter solstice, winter solstice takes place on 22nd December. See children, continuation I am writing here, don't get confused. Okay, still answer is there. I am writing here. I am rubbing the question and writing here. Continuation December. On this day, direct sun rays fall on the Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. Since the South Pole is tilting towards the sun. This is little bit big answer children, don't get confused. Okay, here continuation. Okay, say listen, what is the question? The question is explain summer solstice and winter solstice. Okay, this is a little bit big answer. Okay, say summer solstice. Summer solstice takes place on 21st June. Okay, on this day, the northern hemisphere tilts towards the sun. Say on 21st June, what happens? The northern hemisphere tilts towards the sun. Because of that, what happens? The Tropic of Cancer receives direct rays of the sun. Okay, see here. So, tilts towards the sun and its rays fall straight on the Tropic of Cancer. That means the sun rays fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer. This is why areas that are located on this latitude get more heat and have the summer season. Because of that, what happens? The Tropic of Cancer receives direct sunlight. That is why what happens? The areas which are located on that latitude receive more heat and gets summer season. That means they have summer season. Say summer season of summer solstice. Since the North Pole is tilted towards the sun, places that are located in the Arctic Circle get continuous day light for 6 months and straight. Okay. Say due to that, what happens? The North Pole is tilted towards the sun. Because of that, the areas beyond the Arctic Circle have continuous daylight for 6 months. Okay. At the same time, southern hemisphere has winter. Okay, winter. Say winter solstice takes place on 22nd December. See, at the same time, southern hemisphere have what? Winter season. Okay, winter solstice takes place on 22nd December. Say, continuation children. On this day, direct sun rays fall on the Tropic of Capricorn since the South Pole is tilting towards the sun. Okay, opposite conditions takes place in the southern hemisphere. Understood children? Now, next question is 8th question, last question. Explain the Earth's rotation and its effects. Okay, this is also a little bit big answer, children. See, children, I'll send PDF. By seeing the PDF, you can write this answer. Okay, just I'll explain. Okay, see, what are the effects of rotation? What is rotation? Rotation is the movement of the Earth. Okay, it is better to write on the board only. Okay, let me that. Explain the Earth's rotation and its effects. Explain the Earth's rotation and its effects. What are the effects of the Earth's rotation? Rotation is the movement of the Earth on its axis. Which is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree. Earth spins from west to east, and this is why we are able to see the sunrise in the east and sunset in the west. the west. It takes almost 24 hours for the Earth to complete one rotation. Days and nights, days and nights are caused by the rotation. Since the Earth's since the Earth since the Earth since the Earth is since the Earth is rotating on its axis. Since the Earth is rotating on its axis, only one half of the Earth gets sunlight at the time. This is why when some countries some countries have night, this is why when some countries have day, other countries have night. Have night. Apart from day and night, apart from day and night, apart from day and night, rotation also leads to flow of ocean currents. And winds. See children, little bit answer is there. I am writing here. Winds. In a certain direction. Rotation also causes rotation also causes tides. Tides are rise and fall of rise and fall of oceanic water. Oceanic water in a definite rhythm. Definite rhythm and happen twice a day. Right. Say children. Now explain the Earth's rotation and its effects. This is the question. Due to the rotation of the Earth, what are the effects of the rotation? Say, what are the effects of the rotation? Let us see now. Rotation is the movement of the Earth on its axis, which is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. Okay. Earth spins from west to east, and this is why we are able to see the sunrise in the east and sunset in the west. It takes almost 24 hours for the Earth to complete one rotation. Days and nights are caused by the rotation. Since the Earth is rotating on its axis, only half of the Earth gets sunlight at a time. This is why when some countries this is why when some countries this is why when some countries have others. See, this is why when some countries have a day, other countries have night. Apart from a day and night, rotation also leads to flow of ocean currents and winds. Okay, continuation. In a certain direction, rotation also causes tides. Tides are rise and fall of oceanic water in a definite rhythm and happen twice a day. This is the answer for this question. It is little bit big, children. Okay. By this, I finish the discussion of the question and answers of a third lesson. Okay, children. Thank you.